Good morning, you guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 17. Alright guys, starting off, if you guys can see that, freaking snow is back, dude. Yeah, I was planning to work on the C55 right now, and I still actually want to, so we need to go get supplies ASAP that I need. So, let's get on the road. Is this for real right now? It's back already. Anyways guys, real quick, I was gonna do the same breather mod over here that I had to do the L55 because I'm sure it's an issue on this as well. Just didn't notice it yet. I was checking the hoses right now because I have some black silicone hoses, and I wanted to find a coupler, that like a T coupler that I could recreate this part so I could make this all in silicone where it connects to the expansion tank. You know, that way I can just kind of improve upon things while I'm in here. And the black silicone hose that I have, I believe fits. I tested it out before, so should fit. But I really wanted to get this thing over to do a bolt check on the front end, so see if it snows that much or if I can do that tonight. All right guys, that is taken care of. Get the little breather on there, so it should be good now. No more check valve.
What did you do?
You did it?
Yeah.
Alright you guys, family's bundled up, ready to go. We're beanied and supplied. Almost 6 degrees, been warming up. Go ahead, get in, buddy. So we're gonna make a move on, pick up the supplies that hopefully will work for what we're trying to do. We just stopped for a little Starbucks run. Got myself a sandwich. We're heading over to Home Depot now. We're only one city away, but it's not snowing at all over here, so it's usually how it goes. We usually get a lot of snow in Kirkland, but sometimes it doesn't hit the surrounding areas as much. Let's keep driving. Going to Home Depot. You ready?
We're not at Home Depot.
We are at Home Depot.
We're not.
Where are we? We're at the Christmas tree land.
All of them, dude.
Look at those race car carts.
Where?
Oh, they're over there. I'll go get you one, okay? Stay here.
Get your dad?
Here's your car, sir.
What's this one?
Let's go. No, yeah, I did.
Hey, look up.
You ready? You're recording your driving? son is very sea monkey do. What's up, dude? Double vlogging right now. But yeah, he is so funny just right now. He was like recording and then he realized, oh, there's a steering wheel right in front of you. I'm gonna start driving and recording as I'll show you guys in that clip. But that was hilarious. Love you, buddy.
I need the video.
It's recording right now?
And I'm showing
It is.
the video.
It is. It's recording video. See? That red one means it's recording. That red, yeah, you already are. You're recording right now. Alright, back at the car. My son really wanted to drive. Look back at mom.
Please look at me.
Look at mom.
This is not right.
What is not?
I was trying to
That's
get
not
you a
right.
thumbnail, bro. That's why I was...
We're good.
I got you one.
I know how to do it.
Okay, come on.
Oh my god, your pants are gonna get all wet.
Oh.
Wait, here.
How did hey, don't
Hey,
hold me.
I'm not holding you.
You will.
I'm holding Bigfoot.
No.
Alright,
Hey.
get in there.
Hey.
Hey, oh, there's the top. Okay, watch your head. Here's my old car, guys. W203C230 compressor.
There's a car over there with like the Sailor Moon out.
Oh boy.
On the hood of the car.
I think I know who the driver was. Alright guys, well, no look at Home Depot trying to find the fitting I was looking for. I'll have to find that online. Most likely it's kind of a odd size T fitting. But right now, still kind of ice, rain, snowish. We're gonna go grab some food supplies. Maybe grab some firewood.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then head back home. Alright you guys, made it back home. I don't know if I'm going to be messing with this thing or not today. I'm not as worried about the coolant. I just checked it and it's actually got quite a bit. I'll show you guys. Quite a bit of the factory coolant still in it. Since when I basically ran it down to nothing when the plastic fitting broke. The block was still full of factory coolant. So we'll see here. Still plenty blue. So it's, I mean, it's definitely a large part water. It's probably, I don't know, 2 gallons of distilled water, but it's not enough to allow it to freeze with the coolant mixed in it. But besides that, again, took the check valve out of this piece, so that's all good now. And what I was trying to do, I don't know if I explained earlier, but I have a hose somewhere. I'm still trying to find it. I don't know where I put it, but I have a black hose that I can use right here. I just need to find a T-fitting that is basically like to like a 5/16 or a 3/8 would work to route over for this line. This is what allows it to bleed. So yeah, I'm trying to figure out where that hose is, and then I'll probably have to order what I need online because it's going to be hard to find that T connector in person, but there's plenty for pretty cheap online. So yeah, what I can do today, what I'm thinking about doing, is pulling the intake manifold, but I'm not entirely sure because it's cold and my hands are cold, and if I do that, I'm basically starting a rabbit hole of gotta finish that before I do anything else. So we will see. But yeah, overall, like for the coolant system, I would love to, I wish that there's so many connections on the C55 with the hoses that it would be really hard to find a silicone kit to work, but I wish that I could. I mean, I know I could if I spent enough time on it, but like even that lower section down there, if you guys can see, this hose connects into it, so I'd have to use like another, you know, T connector down there, and at that point it just becomes not worth it. This top hose is a little bubbled up here at the end, but not much. I mean, it's still in pretty good shape, so it's kind of just me wanting to do this more so than anything, but not absolutely necessary. Anyways, just talking at this point, just thinking, but let's see what we get into. Alright, what's going on, you guys? Just chilling right now at home, actually watching a legit Street Cars video on the Grand National that he found. I won't spoil it, but something wrong with the engine. You guys can check it out, but interesting stuff. I love his channel. But yeah, I think I'm gonna call it here for the day. We didn't do much as far as car work, but just some exploring around and trying to find some things. Good news, I found the hoses. They were at my parents' house, so I called them up and had Mike check out the garage, and he ended up finding them. So I couldn't figure out. I was looking all over the place, checking all the cars, checking our place. Couldn't find them anywhere. I was like, I know I have them. Where are they? Ended up being in my parents' garage. So once I can go grab those, I will plan to do a little work on the C55, and hopefully it's not gonna snow at least for a few days, so I get some time to do that. But if it does, we'll figure out some other stuff to do. And of course, when we get big snow, we have some fun driving the SUVs around, so those will be good videos. But yeah, that'll be it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you tomorrow for day 18. Hopefully some more exciting stuff. But appreciate you guys, and I'll see you then. Peace.
In my eyes.